In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Easy Apply on LinkedIn. If you want a faster way to apply for jobs on LinkedIn, the Easy Apply feature can save you a lot of time. Instead of going through long external application pages for every role, this option lets you submit your application directly through LinkedIn for selected job postings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find it and use it efficiently. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home screen you usually see after logging in. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you direct access to all of LinkedIn's main navigation tools. Once you're on the feed, click on the job section. You'll usually find this in the top navigation menu. This area is where LinkedIn gathers job listings, recommendations, and search tools in one place. If you're actively job hunting, this is the section you'll likely use most often. After that, move to the search bar in the jobs area and type in the kind of job you're looking for. You can enter a job title, a keyword, or a role that matches your skills. For example, you might search for something broad to explore options or something more specific if you already know the exact position you want. Try to use clear keywords so the search results are more relevant. Once the results appear, look for the Easy Apply option and click on it. This helps you focus on jobs that allow you to apply directly through LinkedIn. That's the main advantage here. It can reduce friction and speed up the application process. Instead of opening multiple company websites, you can stay inside LinkedIn and move through applications much more quickly. As you use Easy Apply, it's a good idea to make sure your LinkedIn profile is updated beforehand, since many employers will review it as part of your application. Keeping your work experience, skills, and resume current can make the process smoother and improve your chances of making a strong impression. That's all it takes to start using Easy Apply on LinkedIn. Begin at your feed, go to jobs, search for the type of role you want, and then select Easy Apply to narrow down your options. It's a simple feature, but it can make job applications much more convenient and manageable, especially if you're applying to multiple roles in one session.